In this video, let's talk about toArray method. So basically what toArray does is it converts a stream to an array. Okay. So let's take an example for that. Let's say we have array of string elements. So arrays dot as list, and let's take some fruit names. So we have apple, banana, alright, let me press Alt Enter to introduce a local variable and name it as fruits. Alright, now we want to convert this fruits list into an stream and then into an array. So fruits dot stream dot toArray. Now inside toArray we need to pass the constructor to create the instance of the array elements. Okay, so it will be string double colon new. Let me press Alt Enter to introduce a local variable. This is an array. Okay, it's basically a fruits array. Fruits array. Now let's print it. So we can go with the shorthand syntax of for each. Okay, let me go with this. So we have string fruit and it will be fruits array, and let's print fruit. Now save this and run the class. So we can see that all the elements of this list are getting printed. Alright, now let's see we have integer array. Okay, sorry, integer list, and then we will do the same operations here. So let me create arrays dot as list, and let's have the elements as 1 2 3 4 5, and now store into a variable. This is numbers, let's say numbers, and now we have to convert these numbers into a stream first, then toArray. And again, what here we need to do is integer array and call the constructor. So basically what we are doing here is we are calling the method reference, this constructor reference, right? Press Alt Enter, and now this is array of integers, and now we can print them like integer. It will be individual numbers, and here we have the array int, and then we can print these numbers. All right, so we can see that let me save and run this. So we can see that all the elements are getting printed from this integer list also. So initially what we did, we took an example of list of strings, and then we converted into a stream, then into an array, and then we printed all the elements. Now your question might be that can we print with the for each? Yes, we can do, but again we need to convert this into a stream, and then we need to call this for each. Okay, now the objective was to convert it into an array and then print the elements. So from a list to an array, here list of integers to integer array. So this is what we have done in this piece of code, right? So I hope you understood.